Relationship between marginal product and average product. Students, as you can notice that MP and AP curves both are starting from the same point. Both the curves start increasing, but MP curve increases at a faster rate. So you can see that MP curve lies above AP curve. MP starts increasing and reaches to the maximum point. AP also increases at a slower pace and AP also reaches its maximum point. But notice that MP reaches its maximum point before AP reaches its maximum point. After reaching the maximum, MP curve starts falling. And at this point, students, AP curve is still increasing. The point is that when MP starts falling, AP is still increasing. After this, when MP curve touches the AP curve, that is the point where AP is at its maximum. So the second important point which shows relationship between MP and AP is that AP is maximum where MP is equal to AP. After this point, AP starts falling down and MP is already falling. However, again, MP falls at a faster rate than AP. Therefore, MP curve lies below the AP curve. AP curve never touches the x-axis because average product can never be zero. However, MP curve touches the x-axis and then becomes negative. So it can be said, students, that the rate of increase and the rate of decrease of MP curve is more than that of the AP curve. Secondly, MP reaches its maximum point before AP reaches its maximum. Thirdly, where MP and AP both curves intersect each other, that is the maximum point of AP, after which it starts falling down. And fourthly, both MP and AP fall, but MP falls at a faster rate.